Okay, my Glock 26. I haven't Froglubed it in a while, and right now, as you can hear, it's a little squeaky, and it won't go full forward unless I release the trigger. So squeak, 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 and it'll stay back. It won't close all the way until I've released the trigger. So I'm going to give this a Froglube treatment and then show you the difference afterwards. So remember, that's prior to. Okay, so after an hour of being Froglubed, now it's time to wipe it off and put it back together. Okay, and now you don't hear the same squeak, and it won't, or I should say it will, close all the way. See that? And it does feel a lot smoother. Alright guys, till next time.